Hello, audience. Today, we'll dive into the world of ultra-luxurious limousines, symbols of class, opulence, and cutting-edge technology. These vehicles are not just modes of transportation, but vibrant, convenient, and safe spaces designed for the most discerning clients. From the Mercedes V-Class Limousine with its state-of-the-art automatic controls to the boundless luxury of the Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine, each model delivers a distinct and unforgettable experience. In this content, you'll explore the finest limousines from leading brands like Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, Cadillac, and Lamborghini. Discover their breathtaking designs, advanced technologies, and interiors that exceed even the highest expectations. Prepare to be captivated. Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman luxury and exclusivity have always defined a limousine. The passenger cabin must be spacious and well-equipped to maintain an unparalleled level of comfort and practicality. With a length of nearly 6.5 meters and various electronic features designed for VIP-level convenience, the Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman is a highly coveted ride. The rear cabin comfortably seats 4 passengers, with the 2 most important seated on executive-style seats facing forward, while the other 2 face backward. The S600 Pullman is 100 millimeters taller and over a meter longer than the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class sibling, offering significantly increased legroom and headroom. In addition to the 18.5-inch monitor and Burmester surround sound system, the glass partition can be electronically lowered and switched from transparent to opaque at the press of a button. Lamborghini Aventador Limo, a UK-based company, Cars for Stars, has envisioned converting an Aventador into a limousine. In the realm of sports cars, the Lamborghini Aventador, with its 6.5L V12 engine, is one of the most remarkable feats of automotive engineering. The final product, named the Lamborghini Aventador Limo, remains a concept for now. The design includes seating for 8 people in the rear and 2 more in the front cabin. Instead of the standard 2 scissor doors, this version would have 4 for easier access. The steering wheel and speedometers retain the iconic Aventador style, including the Top Gun-inspired engine start button. Hummer H2 Limousine. The defining features of the Hummer H2 include sharp edges, square corners, massive tires, a chrome 7-slot grille, and legendary off-road capabilities. Many exterior features of the limousine version remain similar to the standard model, except it's much longer. The Hummer H2 limousine combines power and exclusivity, stretched to accommodate more passengers. The wheelbase extends over 3 meters, with significant changes inside. The limousine seats up to 16 passengers, all of whom can enjoy amenities like a minibar, 3 flat-screen TVs, a surround sound system, and colorful ceiling lights. It's a vehicle that's guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. Clausen Mercedes V-Class Limousine. If you haven't heard of Clausen, you might be missing out. The German aftermarket supplier specializes in transforming ultra-luxury vehicles into deluxe stretch limousines tailored to meet the demands of high-level clientele. This includes fully automatic door and curtain functions, allowing users to control everything from mood lighting to side panel operations via a touch-operated iPad. If you prefer not to lift a finger, voice commands are also an option. Other exciting features include glossy carbon fiber side panels, a flat-screen monitor with a built-in PlayStation 4, a multimedia system, automatic folding tables, a coffee maker, a massager, and champagne drawers. It can accommodate 4 passengers seated facing each other, while front and rear cameras display the surroundings on large screens. When it's time to rest, the seats extend for lounging, and there's a biometric safe for your valuables while you sleep. Clausen Range Rover Limousine. Clausen is a reliable name for converting luxurious vehicles like Maybachs and Mercedes-Benz into even more opulent models. While the tuner primarily customizes vehicles from local manufacturers, their catalog also includes models from around the world, including the Range Rover. The Clausen Range Rover Limousine is 6.2 meters long, accommodating 4 seats in the passenger cabin. These seats can be arranged in pairs facing each other, but buyers can request a custom model with just 2 seats in the rear for additional legroom. Massaging leather seats and a minibar come standard. The entire vehicle is armored to withstand 7.62mm caliber bullets fired from a distance of 10 meters, and even the tires are bulletproof. Porsche Panamera Limousine. The biggest advantage of the Panamera is its practicality. It's like an extended version of a Porsche sports car, large yet exceptionally fast for a family sedan. The Porsche Panamera Limousine is an even larger version of the already spacious Panamera. All the signature features and qualities synonymous with Porsche remain intact, including the front fascia with its distinctive headlamps and the futuristic LED taillights. The limousine has 4 doors like the standard model, but the passenger cabin features gullwing-style doors for added flair. It seats up to 8 passengers, with 6 on a long bench facing a wide flat screen and minibar. Surround sound speakers and mood-enhancing lighting create a cheerful atmosphere, even on the gloomiest days.